Can never be early enough to get a start on our preparation. It's like a prize fight. Every round is different, but at the end, you're pretty beat up.
Just days into the 2025 Atlantic hurricane season, forecasters are keeping their eyes on the first potential tropical storm that may soak the southeast coast. Heavy rains expected to spread from Florida to the Carolinas over the next few days.
And experts say that there is a 60% chance this hurricane season could be above normal, which follows the same pattern as 2024. It was the costliest season on record. NOAA says that there could be 6 to 10 hurricanes before November, with at least 3 of them expected to be a Category 3 or higher. Officials are raising concerns amid massive cuts to federal agencies, with FEMA losing roughly 1/3 of their workforce.
I don't know what FEMA is going to look like this hurricane season. I know that's kind of in flux.
The back and forth on whether FEMA should exist at all does not lend itself to having full confidence that they are going to be the partner on the ground that we saw in the aftermath of Helene and Milton.
The good news, FEMA has reopened training centers to prepare for hurricane season and says the Hurricane Center is fully staffed.
You're watching the Fox 10 Weather Experts with meteorologist Erica Horvatine on Fox 10 News.
Welcome back. It is a beautiful day out there in the valley. We're seeing a lot of sunshine right now. There's definitely some moisture hanging out in the air. You could kind of tell because the sun wasn't shining as bright in spots in parts of the valley earlier on. I definitely felt like there was more of an overcast vibe, even though you looked up and saw blue sky. It's just that moisture, higher level clouds that are hanging out. 93 degrees is our temperature right now. The humidity is noticeable. I wouldn't call it muggy right now with a dew point of 54, but obviously, it's so much more moisture than we are used to. And as we go through tomorrow, we are going to continue feeling this way. But Thursday through Friday and then the weekend, we are going to be back to our normal dry air. Now, up north, it is looking stormy. We have this storm cloud overhead. It was just raining right in the camera. And there are these storms making their way across the high country this afternoon, all because of the moisture we have in play and another storm system that's on its way into Arizona. So it's pretty wet up north, and the storms are moving very slow. So we have slow moving storms with heavy downpours and lightning. It's creating this flooding threat, and like I mentioned, there is a flood advisory north of Chino Valley and south of Paulden, and it looks like the flash flood warning for the Colorado River up near the Grand Canyon has expired, so that's good news. But still several rounds of heavy storms making their way across the state. Now, it's all because of this storm that's pushing in. It's continuing to draw up even more moisture than we already have in play and bring the lift ahead of it to get those storms going. So this is going to move into Arizona tomorrow. That will bring another chance for afternoon and evening storms in the high country and even a chance for some valley rain. And then that one will move out and we'll start to dry things out toward the end of the week once that moves away from the state. So Thursday, Friday, and then into the weekend, all looking drier in Arizona. Here's a look at Futurecast, though, as we go through tonight. And because of that storm placement out to our west, we're actually going to see this line of moisture moving toward the valley tonight. We'll see continuing storms for the high country way past sunset through the overnight hours, and even overnight around 2 a.m. we could start to see a chance for some rain here in the valley. This will then last through the morning commute. 6 a.m. still looking at that chance for showers here in the valley, but by around 8 a.m. it does start to clear to the east and north. Still could be a couple of lingering showers in the east and north parts of the valley, but most of the rain will then linger on in the high country for the rest of the day, and we'll see sunshine and drier skies for our Wednesday afternoon and evening. That rainfall accumulation looking fairly light, around 1/10 of an inch or so, but up north could see up to around an inch. Just depends where the heaviest rain falls. Here's a look at our temperatures, dropping to 78 tonight, 60 in Sedona, 47 in Flagstaff. Tomorrow, 97 in Phoenix, a little warmer, 60s and 70s for the high country. And our 10-day forecast shows that we'll climb through the upper 90s and into the 100s as we go toward the weekend.